your skin will just be glowing. Do you understand? No matter the complexion you're in, you use this, your skin will be glowing. It will be glowing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you see your first time here, this is the place to be. We talk about skincare, organics, premixing, everything, skincare products that you need to look out for, what to use, what not to use, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested in skincare and you like this face that you're seeing, welcome. Okay, please don't forget to like this video if you learned something from this video or you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section. Today we're going to be talking about a product. This product is everywhere in the market. You're seeing it, you don't know what to do with it, you don't have proper information about this product. Today I'm going to be telling you about this product, and if you're interested in knowing how this product works, the cost, where you can get it, and all those good stuff, keep watching this. I'm talking about the Dr. Teals body lotion. Okay, now Dr. Teals has different products. They have other products that they manufacture, but this is their body lotion, and it's been in the market for a while, and everyone is really hopping into it, and I can see what the hype is about. Body lotion is simple, honest, effective. I agree. The ingredient list is as simple as it gets. It's moisturizing. It's a citrus essential oil. So there are different variants of this product. I'm going to leave some pictures or videos of the variant on the screen so you guys can see as well. Its main ingredients are cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Alright, so like I said, there are different variants, but I chose this because yeah, we'll get into it in a bit. It has uplifting citrus essential oils, skin softening shea butter, moisturizing cocoa butter, protective vitamin E. Alright, it says Dr. Teals is a lightweight body lotion formulated with moisturizing ingredients plus essential oils to help promote glowing, youthful skin, and also a citrus oils to help uplift your mood. Okay, so you're not feeling good, you're feeling some type of way, this lotion claims to help uplift your mood. Okay, all right, it's also said that it helps to moisturize and promote healthy looking skin. Okay, now as a skincare formulator and as someone who's into skincare, the first thing I look into a product first of all is the packaging. And you guys will agree with that this packaging kind of stands out. It's not really all that, but it really stands out. It's just something about it that I really do like, and the color contrast for me, I really like. Okay, so the packaging first of all, packaging is everything. Sometimes people don't even get into the content of the product, just the way it's packaged, they hop on it, they like it, and they get it. Okay, so packaging is very important. All right, now, so like I said, as a formulator, I also look into other things, and for me the most important thing is the ingredients. All right, so I'm going to look into the ingredients here. I'm going to read real fast. Don't leave yet, because you need this information. You need this information, so stick there. All right, now it has water, it has glycerin, isopropyl palmitate, it has cornstarch, glycerin stearate, PG stearate, ethyl alcohol, fragrance. It has orange peel oil again, jojoba oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E, magnesium sulfate, ascorbic acid, that's vitamin C, dimethicone stearic acid, magnesium aluminosilicate, xanthan gum, disodium EDT is a chelator. Xanthan gum helps, it's like a thickener. Phenoxyethanol are preservative, sodium hydroxide to help balance the pH, benzyl alcohol, aluminium, and so many things. Let me bore you with the science behind it. Okay, so these ingredients are great for the body. I've seen a lot of people use this as prep for makeup for their clients or for themselves. Honestly, if you have sensitive acne prone skin like moi and like some of us, I wouldn't put this anywhere near my face. It is very heavy. It is very heavy to put on the face. I would not put this on my face. Okay, so it's really good ingredient list for the body, because from all of the things I've seen, it is very moisturizing to the skin. Okay, so now let's test it out. I've tried it, I like it, but let me test it out for you guys to see. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit here. You see how it is? That's the xanthan gum working there. Okay, I'm just gonna apply. Do you see how moisturizing that thing is? Do you see how it sinks into the skin? Like it just sinks into your skin. It sits there. It's not greasy. It has very, very moisturizing. Very moisturizing to the skin. I really do like it. Okay. So like many of us over here now in this Nigeria, like majority of people that I've worked with, we have oily face. We have dry body. Our body is dry. Girl, there's no ashiness with this. There is no, like, you can't be ashy when using this at all. You can't be ashy. All right. So now here's the thing. Okay, these products is something that you can use during the daytime. All right, so let's get into it. You're using your lightening cream at nighttime. You strictly use your lightening cream at nighttime. You don't have what to use during the daytime. Guys, girls, this is for you. In fact, yes, guys, girls can use it. All gender can use it. In fact, I believe that babies can use this. Let me not reach too much, but I think babies can use it. Like kids a little older, teens can use it, adults can use it, even aged people can use it, because this stuff is very moisturizing to the skin. Like I like the way it's moisturizing. See, your skin will just be glowing. Do you understand? No matter the complexion you're in, you use this, your skin will be glowing. It will be glowing. So they have different variants of this product. I chose the citrus one because I like vitamin C for my skin, as well as I don't want something that's going to dull my complexion. Okay, I wanted something that will still keep me radiant, and that citrus does it for me. The fragrance is to die for. It smells good. It smells really good. In fact, I understand what they talk about uplifting your mood. Like it's not too strong, it's just okay, but I will not use it on my face. I won't use it on my face, please. But it's just really uplifting. It smells very nice. I like the way it smells. I love applying this lotion. Like I love having my baths in the morning. Even if I'm not going out, just apply this lotion and just day. Like it's really nice. I really like the products. Like I'm looking at the ingredient list and I'm gonna look to see how I can steal some ideas from them, because I just like the way it sits into the skin. It's not very greasy. It's not greasy. It's not greasy. It sits into the skin nicely, and like your skin doesn't feel tacky, or when you just some creams you apply, man, your body's just gummy. No, this is not it with this product. Okay, now this product, where you can get it, I got this from my favorite people in Nigeria. What's Nigeria? My favorite people in Abuja, Tulip stores. I always get like drugstore from Tulip stores. Okay, they're here in Abuja. You can get from Tulip stores. You can also get it from H Medics. You can get it from Ebano. You can get it from Passion Trust. You can get it from any really pharmaceutical stores basically, or cosmetic stores. You can get it from them. I got this for 4,000 naira from Tulip stores. It's between 4,000 to 4,500 naira. That is how much this product costs. Don't let anyone try to use your head. It is paraben and phthalate free, phthalate free, I guess, and it's 532 ml. And a little goes a long way. It said it's made in the US. Guys, it's a very good product. I won't lie. There's no ashiness here. You will love it. I love it. You will love it. I like the product. I like the way it feels on the skin. I like how moisturizing it is. Another thing is, if you are light, you are dark, you can use this. Okay, so if you're like someone like I'm dark skin, I don't want everything is bleaching. I don't want to bleach my skin. I just want my skin to glow, look radiant. This brand is for you. I'm caramel skin. I just want something that I'm going to use in the daytime. I don't want to alter my complexion. I just want to glow. I don't want to lighten more than I already am. This is for you. I'm fair. I just need a moisturizer. This is for you. That's how good it is. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video if you learned something. Also, if there's anything you want me to review or things you would like me to say or talk about, because guys run out of ideas this day. How many products can one try? So let me know that in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.